to the Plainsman Museum's archival storage room. I'm Tina Larson, and we are here looking for something very special: cookbooks. At the Plainsman Museum, we have many cookbooks compiled by local communities in Hamilton County's past. These cookbooks contain recipes submitted by Hamilton County citizens, allowing us to both make tasty food from years ago, as well as get a glimpse into the lives of those who came before us. They really are unique treasures to have. Now, as the United States looks forward to celebrating its 250th anniversary in 2026, we would also like to capture this era in our history by creating the Hamilton County, Nebraska Celebrate America 250 Cookbook. And we need your help to make it happen. If you have ever called Hamilton County, Nebraska home, we want you to feel encouraged to participate in this project with us by submitting your recipes. To submit a recipe, we have both online and physical options available. To submit a recipe online, go to plainsmanmuseum.org and click on the Cookbook Recipe Submission page under the HCN Celebrate America 250 tab. You can then fill out the online submission form found on the page. If you wish to download a physical form to send by mail, click the Recipe Submission Form button that can also be found on the Cookbook webpage. If you would like us to send you a physical form in the mail, please request one by contacting the Plainsman Museum by phone at 402-694-6531 or send us an email at plainsman@hamilton.net. You can also pick up a recipe submission form at the Plainsman Museum's front desk. There are no fees to submit a recipe online or in physical form. The due date for the recipe submissions is Saturday, May 31st, 2025. Cookbook sales will begin Thanksgiving weekend of 2025. As our country reaches this important milestone in its history, we want to encourage the people of Hamilton County, Nebraska to make this a fun and memorable occasion for our community. Now is the time to celebrate.